The Appalachian Mountains are home to many unique species and ecosystems. In particular, Boone, North Carolina is characterized by the surrounding ecosystems that house forests, rivers, and wetlands. These habitats are rich with biodiversity, supporting countless plants and animals that play vital roles in maintaining balance. These ecosystems help to sustain life, recycle nutrients, and provide resilience against environmental change. Today, I would like to highlight 6 species that call this region home. The white-tailed deer, the American black bear, the giant water bug, the leopard slug, the American red robin, and the common lavender. The white-tailed deer is one of the most recognizable mammals in the Appalachian forests. The white underside of its tail is what it is named for. When the tail is raised, it's a sign of being aware and agitated. Deer are herbivores and feed on leaves, twigs, fruits, and acorns. Their grazing helps shape plant communities, which influences species to thrive. However, when populations grow too large, deer can overgraze and cause harm to the forest and ultimately the biodiversity, making them a perfect example of how one species can both support and challenge an ecosystem. In Boone, deer are common sights along the forest edge and meadows, reminding us of a delicate balance between wildlife and human activity. Another well-known resident of the Appalachian Mountains is the American black bear. Despite their name, their fur can range from black to brown, and even cinnamon shades. Black bears are omnivores, eating berries, nuts, insects, fish, and occasionally small mammals. They play a crucial role in the seed dispersal. When bears consume fruit, the seeds pass through their digestive systems and are spread across wide areas, helping forests regenerate. Black bears are also symbols of wilderness, embodying the strength and resilience of the Appalachian ecosystem. In Boone, countless encounters with black bears remind us that humans share spaces with powerful wildlife, and conservation efforts are essential to ensure coexistence. Another inhabitant of our forest is the field goldenrod. With its bright yellow flowers that produce large amounts of nectar and pollen, this plant is very important to our ecosystem in terms of pollination and being a large food source for many insects and birds. It's typically found in fields or on the sides of gravel or asphalt roads. Field goldenrod plays a huge role in reducing erosion due to its hardy and aggressive root system, which helps bind and keep soil in place. It is also found to quickly revegetate areas after disturbances like fire or mowing. Moving from the forest to the wetlands, we find the giant water bug. This insect may not be as famous or well known as deers or bears, but is equally fascinating. Known for its large size and powerful forelegs, the giant water bug is a predator in our aquatic ecosystem. It feeds on fish, tadpoles, and other insects using its sharp beak to inject digestive enzymes into its prey. Females lay the eggs on the male's back, and he carries them until they hatch. This unusual behavior highlights the diversity of survival strategies in nature. In Appalachian wetlands, giant water bugs help regulate populations of smaller aquatic species, maintaining the balance in these ecosystems. Shifting back towards forests, the American robin is a common inhabitant of Boone and western North Carolina as a whole. Known for their bright turquoise eggs, the American robin has a major impact on our ecosystems with insect control, seed dispersal, and being an important food source for many of our carnivorous species such as hawks, snakes, and even cats. Because of their diverse diet of worms, seeds, and fruit, along with their ability to live near humans, robins can serve as bioindicators, meaning their health can provide clues about the health of their environment, including the presence of pollutants like lead in soil. Something interesting is that during the winter months, their population in North Carolina greatly increases due to birds migrating down from up north and feeding on the abundance of berries. The leopard slug, a creature often overlooked, but vital to the ecosystem, named for the dark spots and streaks across its body. The leopard slug is a decomposer. It feeds on decaying plant matter, fungi, and sometimes other slugs. By breaking down organic material, leopard slugs recycle nutrients back into the soil, enriching it for plants and supporting the entire food web. They are also known for their unusual mating behavior, where two slugs suspend themselves from a mucus thread in a slow, spiraling dance. Though small and humble, leopard slugs demonstrate the importance of even the tiniest organisms in sustaining biodiversity. The candleflame lichen is another decomposer that is often overlooked in our ecosystem. Candleflame lichen are known for their leaf-like structure with a body that is mustard yellow to greenish in color. This fungus is known to grow in small, branching cushions. Sometimes the lichen will form extensive colonies. The underside of the candleflame lichen is either whitish or pinkish in hue. The lobes of the candleflame lichen are narrow, flat, and flattened, and can either have toothed or scalloped margins. It is a vital decomposer in the ecosystem that utilizes chemical weathering to break down rock, which helps to accumulate organic matter after its death. The candleflame lichen uses this to erode rock and create vital soil environment. Lastly, the common lavender. It is known for its sweet scent and purple clusters of flowers on top of each of the stems. The lavender plant is also known for its square, thin stems that sometimes resemble twigs. The most common color of lavender plants is purple, for obvious reasons, but sometimes the flower can have a white, pink, or bluish hue. The common lavender plant plays a crucial role in the ecosystem by supporting biodiversity with their attractive flowers that are rich in nectar and entice many pollinators. Their extensive root system helps stabilize the surrounding soil and help to prevent erosion. Lavender is a drought-tolerant plant, which makes them a smart idea for planting in water-scarce areas. In closing, together, these species illustrate the richness of Boone's ecosystem. From large mammals to small invertebrates, each plays a role in maintaining balance, recycling nutrients, and supporting biodiversity. These Appalachian Mountains are not just scenic landscapes, they are living systems where every species contributes to the whole. By appreciating and protecting these creatures, we ensure that Boone and the wider Appalachian region continue to thrive for generations to come.